Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Here on the gold chart, it has worked out really nicely. We were waiting for this first wave 1 to the upside, which peaked in April, a wave 2 to the downside, which bottomed in our trend reversal area, which was communicated already many months ago. We actually reversed in this area and moved up and hit the next trend reversal area here, which I count as the fourth wave in a larger 5-wave move up in a leading diagonal. We then broke a trend line, which I've taken out of the chart and highlighted to you. Okay, if we break that trend line, we could be heading down in a wave 2. This wave 2 target was now reached as well today. Don't necessarily expect it to go down much lower, but it can do. I have no indication it has bottomed yet. Certainly, it shouldn't really go below 1919. So at the moment, it's doing only what we wanted. And as long as it's holding 1919, it's going to do what we wanted, right? The idea is on this chart that we had a wave 2 low in place. We could now be in a third wave rally, but it needs to confirm it now by breaking above 1988 resistance, a very important resistance level, and potentially the neckline for an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If anybody's following these patterns, head, and the right shoulder could be this wave 2. I already highlighted that, I think a few weeks ago, that this could form an inverse head and shoulders. Here, left shoulder, head and right shoulder. Let's see, but the neckline is 1988. That is clearly the breakout point. We at the moment get the pullback we wanted. Could be the last setback before a real third wave rally higher. And we have relevant support at 1955. That's basically been reached. We'll drop to it today. Next support below that will be 1944. No problem. 1934, below that level, I would say the likelihood for a break will increase, but the setup is technically valid as long as we're holding 1919, the 78.6 retracement of the move to the upside. Below that level, it will really get difficult. I mean, it's not formally invalidated until we break below 1900, which is the 29th of June low, but the likelihood for a break increases massively below the 78.6 fib level. So can't really tell you much more other than there is an inverse head and shoulder potential on the chart with a breakout to the upside. We have reached our target, the first target level. We've got a few more. So at the moment, unless I get an indication that the trend has stopped, the downtrend has stopped, the local downtrend, I have to expect we go down a little lower, because also for a wave 2, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement is quite shallow. So I'd like to see at least the 50% fib level. And then, then we need to be watching now for bottoming signals. I think we were waiting for price to get into this region, and now it's time to start fine-tune our, let's say, perspective towards possible bottoming process in this area. But at the moment, I think we're not quite there yet. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.